Watercolor wig without tending the lace. Gorilla snot. Spread it evenly over the lace. Make sure to put it all over, even the hairline. You can use a blow dryer or let it air dry. It dries quick. Let 2 set for 15 minutes. The gorilla snot should be tacky. It doesn't have to be hard. It serves as a protective barrier from the hair dye. Make sure you're using hot water for the watercoloring method. I always pre-mixed it before I put the wig in. Don't worry about the snot melting. It's already on the lace. Then you put the wig into your watercolor mix. Make sure you start at the ends of the hair. Make sure the wig is completely saturated all over. Then let it set in the dye. I let it set 30 minutes. It's up to you, however long you leave it. Keep dipping the wig. Kept dipping the wig. See, the gorilla snot isn't going anywhere. Keep saturating the wig. Let it set. Rinse the wig. Make sure the gorilla snot completely off the lace, like so. You don't want the snot on the wig while shampooing it. This just makes it better to wash without the product. See, there's no hair dye on the lace, even when it's wet. Look at that lace. The wig is completely dry. No stained lace at all. Look at that. Silky, silky. Hit the like button. Look at that. I'll upload a video on how I get the hair to be so silky. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.